Hello guys, thanks for joining this session. In this session, we are going to look into tools required to write HTML code. So let's look into that. So to design an HTML file or say web page, we require two things. One is a scripting editor where we can write the HTML file or say HTML code, and a browser where we can see the written code output. We have various options available for a scripting editor as well as browser, but I would prefer the Chrome browser and the Visual Studio Code for writing the code. So in Visual Studio Code, we generally write the code, and in Chrome browser, we will look the output of the written code. So you need to install these two applications. So how you can get this application? Let's look into that. You need to come to Google and type Chrome. Once you type Chrome, then you will get download now option. On the first link, you can click it over here, and then you will get download Chrome. And the moment you download it, it get downloaded. So let's download it, accept and install, save file. So it has downloaded it, see here. So let's run it. So you need to come over here, right click on run as administrator. So it will start downloading and installing. So it is installing now. So let's install it. So it has installed Chrome browser. Now we have the browser in place. Now let's install Visual Studio Code. To install Visual Studio Code, we need to do the same thing. Come here, write Visual Studio Code, and then you need to click on download Visual Studio Code, and it will take us to download page, and here you can download as per your operating system configuration. I have a Windows machine, so I can click on Windows, and I am having is the 64-bit machine. So click on Windows. So it has given us the option called save file. Click on it. So it has downloaded it. So let's go into the downloaded folder. So you need to come over here and double click on it. It will throw warning for me because I already installed the Visual Studio Code. So I'm clicking on no, but in your case you need to click on yes and follow the wizard. So it is a straightforward process. So no, suppose if you face any issue, then you need to visit this site, and here you will get setup and click on Windows, and you will get the instructions. For Linux you will get the instruction, for a Mac OS also you will get the instruction. So we have installed both the application, one for writing the script, the Visual Studio Code. Here we will write the script, and the browser, and here we can see the output of written HTML. So we are done with this session. So let's wrap the session now. So far we have understand what is HTML, and we have installed the Visual Studio Code and the browser for writing a code and viewing the code. Next steps onwards, we will write some HTML code, and we will look into the syntax of HTML document. So on this note, I am closing this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.